Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to disable lock screen on Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type gpedit.msc and open it. Now after that open a group policy, and first of all select the administrative template and expand it. After that, select the control panel and expand it. After that, select the personalization. After that, now you can see there that do not display the lock screen. Double click and open it. And after that, click on enable, click on apply and OK button. After that, close the group policy editor, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.